Here's my price prediction for Bonk at the peak of the bull run. So all of this is based on if Bitcoin continues in a bull run and we get a big parabolic altcoin season, okay? So obviously if that doesn't happen, then you can write off all of these predictions, including the conservative prediction I'm about to give, okay? So I'm going to start with a conservative prediction, and then I'm going to move into the base case prediction, and then into the bullish prediction, and then at the end of the video I'm going to get into the moon boy prediction for Bonk at the peak of the bull run, okay? So starting with the conservative prediction then, is $10 billion a market cap. That's what I think that Bonk can do conservatively, and that would put it at roughly where Shiba Inu is now. And also Pepe was around about the 10 billion market cap recently as well, at its previous all-time high, okay? So yeah, if these go up further in market cap, then Bonk can just catch up with these, and it can, you know, it can come to 10 billion market cap, right? That's conservative prediction for the bull run, okay? So that would put Bonk at roughly 7 or an 8x on your money, okay? So that's the conservative prediction. And so my base case for Bonk is around about $20 billion market cap, okay? So the reason I think it can do that as my base case is because if we look at Shiba Inu, in the previous bull run, it went to $40 billion market cap, okay? So let's say that Solana catches up with Ethereum, which is likely in this bull run because Solana's faster and cheaper than Ethereum, so it could overtake Ethereum potentially. So, and if Bonk remains the top dog coin on Solana at that point, then it can do something similar to what Shiba Inu did in the previous bull run, okay? And the reason I say it could go to 20 billion as my base case and not 40 billion like Shiba Inu did in the previous bull run is because there's a lot more coins in circulation right now, okay? Obviously you've got the Trump coin taking up some of the market share. You know, you've got some others, you've got the SPX 6900, Dog with Hat, you know, you've got a bunch of other coins now. Whereas in the previous bull run, it was only really Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and then you didn't really have any other meme coins. You had a few, you know, you had a Doge on Mars, for example. But yeah, nothing like we've got now. We've got loads of meme coins now. So if Bonk just remains the top dog coin on Solana, then maybe it could take up a big chunk of that market share. But yeah, maybe just cut it in half just because there's so many coins in circulation. So instead of 40 billion, I'll say 20 billion as my base case. So that would be roughly a 15x or a 20x on your money, okay, as the base case. So then my bullish case scenario would be to get to Shiba's all-time high, right? Let's say Bonk takes the majority of the market share and Solana overtakes Ethereum and goes higher. Then, you know, we could get to where Shiba was in the previous cycle potentially, okay? And I think that is possible because Bonk is a Shiba Inu dog, okay? Obviously you've got Dogecoin, which is the Shiba Inu dog on Bitcoin, because Dogecoin is a fork of Bitcoin, right? So that's the Shiba Inu dog on Bitcoin basically. Shiba Inu is the Shiba Inu dog on Ethereum, okay? So Bonk's the Shiba Inu dog on Solana, right? So there's no reason it couldn't come up here and do what Shiba Inu did in the previous cycle, especially if Solana overtakes Ethereum and goes higher than Ethereum did in the previous cycle, this cycle, okay? Then it's possible for that to happen. And if that happens, that would give you a 33, 34x on your money. And so now for my Moon Boy prediction for Bonk at the peak of the bull run, okay? It's basically somewhere around $100 billion a market cap, right? So Dogecoin in the previous bull run went to $88 billion a market cap, okay? So we've seen a dog coin do it before, so another dog coin could do it again, okay? And if Dogecoin is gonna overtake its previous all-time high and go to 100, 200, 300 billion dollars a market cap, and then Shiba Inu dog goes to 100, 200 billion dollars a market cap, then if Bonk comes up here and sits in the number 3 place behind these two dog coins as the Shiba Inu dog on Solana, then I don't think there's any reason it couldn't be sitting at roughly $100 billion a market cap, okay? So yeah, that's why I think that's the Moon Boy prediction for Bonk. And if you compare it to the previous all-time high of Dogecoin, that'd be a 73x, okay? And if it went to $100 billion market cap, that'd be roughly an 80x. So if you had $1,269, okay, to invest into Bonk, and then you held it all the way up to $100 billion market cap, right, for an 80x, that would leave you with $101,520. So yeah, there you go. There's the Moon Boy target for Bonk at the peak of the bull run. So drop me a like if you want Bonk to go to $100 billion of market cap, and subscribe to keep up with my future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.